Concrete is the most widely used building material on Earth. But it has a weakness: cracks. And once they form, water seeps in, slowly destroying the structure from within. But scientists have found a surprising solution: bacteria. Inside experimental concrete, tiny dormant spores lie waiting. When water enters a crack, it wakes them. The bacteria begin producing calcium carbonate, the same mineral that forms limestone, and that mineral fills the crack from the inside out, healing the concrete like a living organism. This technology could make buildings last far longer and turn construction materials into self-repairing systems. A future where our structures heal themselves.